Hidden beneath every click beyond the glowing screen lies a world of silent activity, a complex ecosystem where code, servers, and browsers interact in perfect synchrony. This is the secret life of websites. In this short expedition, we'll follow your browser's journey through digital wilderness, decoding how a simple URL triggers a chain of technological behavior. From the domain lookup to the final rendering, each moment is part of a grand, invisible performance. Every second, billions of devices reach across the globe, summoning websites from distant servers with astonishing precision. But how? Let's observe what really unfolds the moment you type in a web address. Our journey begins with the browser, acting much like a curious creature sniffing out a trail. It encounters the DNS, or domain name system, a network of guides that translate names like your site.com into exact global coordinates known as IP addresses. Without this step, the browser would be lost in the digital wilderness. With coordinates in hand, the browser ventures to a server, its destination. Here, the web host resides. It's the nesting ground of the website. Files, databases, scripts, all stored, secured, and waiting to be delivered. The browser makes its request. The server, always alert, responds with precisely what's needed. The files begin their journey. Like flocks of birds in formation, packets of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fly across fiber optic cables, routing through data centers and satellites. Each file knows its place. Each piece is critical to the construction ahead. Upon return, the browser transforms from explorer to engineer. It reads the instructions, assembles the layout, styles it, animates it. Text becomes readable. Buttons become clickable. The site is born, an ephemeral digital habitat customized just for you. All of this intricate choreography, happens in less time than it takes to blink. What seems instant is, in truth, a masterclass in coordination, speed, and design. Behind every website lies a secret life few ever witness until now. Check out Bluehost for expert WordPress hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more website and hosting tips.